What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. So originally I wasn't going to really record because this job's pretty straightforward, and yeah. So I've done this place numerous times. It's probably like my 5th time. So she calls me about every 6 months to get it clean. Looks better every time I come, except for the spot she got problems where I think pet stains. So she lays these down to let me know. What I do is go through before anything, and go ahead and hit these with a little enzyme spray. Using this bottle up right here. This is Woolzyme. This is for wool, but it's for anything, but it's wool safe. So just a little bit down the bottom of the bottle, so I figured I'd use it up. So yeah, there was a bunch of spaces I already hit. So yeah, Berber likes my work. That's why she keeps calling me. So pretty glad about that. And you know, this area right here this is where they hang out a lot, so you're gonna have most of the soil and stuff right at the bottom of this bottle. She didn't put a actual napkin here, but I just noticed it. So all this is just regular soil. Alright, so Brenda's gonna vacuum ahead of me. I'm gonna pull everything out. It's a beautiful day here in Paso Robles, California. Beautiful day for carpet cleaning. Where's Brenda at? I wonder. Around here somewhere. Anyway, we're gonna get started. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. So, carpets look great already, and I haven't even extracted yet. Next time I do these, I possibly may do a little moisture on this. Clean up very easily. They really keep on top of their cleaning schedule, so it really helps. there was a big old spot that she missed with the napkin, and I hit that with the enzyme. You can tell that's gone. Alright guys, all wrapped up. Well, not all wrapped up. What am I talking about? About to wrap up. Hey, I'm not perfect. Anyway, about to wrap up. Job came out looking great, as always. And yeah, all the spots are gone. Yeah, so anyway, that's it for this video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, and one more thing before I head out on this is I have launched a new YouTube channel. It's called Hustle to Flight. And I'll leave the link below the video, or you can just kind of get on YouTube and put that in. Hustle, the number 2, Flight. And it's going to be more of a part-time hustle, entrepreneur to full-time hustle kind of deal. And, you know, motivation and tips for business and guest speakers and just a whole lot of helpful advice and inspiration for people who are thinking about starting something for themselves. So go ahead. I don't have any videos on there yet. I just literally built the foundation, and I'm going to start uploading them shortly. So go ahead and click that link and subscribe and ring the bell. That way you know when that first video comes. All right? And support it. Say bye, Brenda. All right. See you in the next one.